A new customer just messaged you on Instagram asking for a quote. It's buried under 3 other apps, a missed call, and a text, and by the time you reply tomorrow, they've already booked someone else. Let me show you how we fix that, using a real blueprint we built. This is what every business gets from us, free, after a quick audit. Here's how it works. The business fills out our audit. Everyone on the team answers a few questions, and this comes back. No charge. Just an example so you can see the detail. Top of the report, 3 founding partners audited, 18 plus automation opportunities, and 100% of the team open to AI, the biggest predictor this works. Section 1, the audit. Every partner, every pain point. Scheduling on a paper calendar. Quote requests coming from Facebook, Instagram, phone, and word of mouth, with no tracking. Invoicing split across Venmo and Cash App. Then the patterns. The biggest one here, scheduling, booking, and customer communication hit all 3 partners. It's the exact ceiling that traps most cleaning businesses at 5 to 10 clients a week. Now the roadmap. 3 tiers. Tier 1 is the easy wins, fast, low disruption, felt inside 90 days. Online booking with instant quotes, automated confirmations, and recurring service auto-renewal, which can lift retention by 20 to 30 points. Recurring revenue is the whole foundation of a cleaning business. Tier 2, the foundation for scaling. Automated invoicing and payment collection, customer onboarding, and review generation that can produce 50 to 150 reviews in year 1 instead of 10 to 20. Tier 3 is the long game. Customer portal, a 24/7 AI voice agent that captures the after-hours inquiries you're losing, and the hiring workflow you'll need to grow past the founding team. Now here's where we go beyond the audit. Opportunities they never mentioned, but proven in their industry. Referral program automation, seasonal promotions, vacation rental turnovers, free ideas on top. Then we rank it all. Effort, impact, timeline. So they know the fastest path to results, but it's their call. They can start anywhere. Now one thing that really matters about the audit, even in a small business, this isn't a one-person form. The more of your team that fills it out, the better your blueprint comes back. Because we're mapping the whole operation, not just one role. So get everyone involved. Every person you add sharpens the picture. So here's what to do. Fill out the audit, links below, and get your team on it too. And if you want us to walk you through your blueprint in more detail before you take it to your team, book a free 30-minute discovery call. This is not a sales call. We're not pitching you anything. We just explain the blueprint so it makes complete sense. It usually doesn't even take the full 30 minutes. We just block it in case you've got questions. And go fill it out whether you work with us or not. This blueprint is yours, free, so you walk away with real evidence of where AI and automation actually fit in your business. No more guessing, so get your team on it and see what's possible. Thanks for spending this time with me. I'm genuinely rooting for you and wishing you the best of luck in this new business atmosphere of AI and automation.